Hello and welcome to this video which talks about this question: how do I become an affiliate marketer? Well, make sure you stay tuned and keep listening because I am going to tell you some simple steps which can help you become an affiliate marketer. So I suggest you pay close attention to the ideas that I will give you. Keep watching. If you would like me to create a video for you, tell me in the comments section below the video. Hi, my name is Ashley. If you're new to the channel, please make sure you hit the subscribe button so you get alerted about new videos. Please make sure you like the video. This motivates me to create more content for you. Thank you. Let's go. So to begin with, let me tell you what affiliate marketing is. Affiliate marketing is where you promote another company's or business's product or service. When someone purchases through your affiliate link, you earn a commission. These commissions are usually a percentage of the sale price or a fixed amount. Here are 2 reasons why you should consider doing affiliate marketing. Number 1, it's low cost and low risk. Starting a business can be risky and expensive because there are upfront costs for products, employees, equipment, rent and other things. With affiliate marketing, all you need is a website or a social media following. If it doesn't work out, you've only wasted time and a little bit of money. And reason number 2, it's easy to scale. A typical salesperson only sells products from one company. As an affiliate marketer, you can promote products from many different companies and earn commissions from all of them. I will now tell you how affiliate marketing works. Upon joining an affiliate program or a network, you get a unique link that contains a tracking ID. This allows the merchant to track if you've referred customers to them. People who click on your link also get a tiny file called a cookie stored on their device. This usually holds an expiry date, so you get paid even if they delay buying for a while. Let me give you an example of how it works. Number 1, someone visits your post on the best winter jackets. Number 2, they click the Amazon affiliate link for one of your recommendations. Number 3, they close their browser to pick their kid up from school. Number 4, they go back to Amazon the next day to check out the product again. Number 5, they buy the recommended product along with some ski gear. Thanks to the affiliate cookie stored on this person's device, you earn a commission on the recommended product and the ski gear. Here are some steps and best practices to help you get started with affiliate marketing. Here we go. Step 1. Choose your niche. Your niche is the category you want to talk about and promote. To stand out amongst the countless other websites today, my advice is to be specific. Instead of tackling a broad niche like food, go for something a bit more narrower like grilling. This helps you build a more focused audience and may also help with SEO. Here are 4 questions to ask yourself to find a good niche. What am I good at? What do I like doing? What am I curious about? What do other people tell me I'm good at? It's hard to overstate the importance of choosing something that you're passionate about. You'll need to create a lot of content to succeed with affiliate marketing. If you choose something you hate, you'll find it hard to press on when the going gets tough. Evaluate volumes and possibility to scale. Narrow down your capabilities and determine the sort of products people are searching for within your niche. You can use free SEO tools such as the Google Keyword Planner, or simply visit Google Trends to explore what people are specifically searching for and compare popular keywords. Organic traffic is an essential factor in your affiliate marketing website success. I recommend to compare a broader niche with several sub-niches to see what keywords perform online. For instance, apply fashion as your primary keyword with other topics such as dress, shoes or accessories, to see which keyword combination has a higher search volume. Also, you can analyze your business scalability. Consider how you can improve your product, content and affiliate marketing strategies in your chosen niche. Think of the possibility of adding new affiliate products, categories, promotional platforms or chances for partnerships in the longer term. Research the competition. With some mainstream affiliate marketing niches, competition can be especially high. This means affiliate marketing efforts will be needed to stay in the race. While it is easier to follow current trends, I recommend choosing a niche with high search volume and lower competition. However, if you want to target a popular niche, Search for well-known influencers within your niche and try to find a different angle on how to promote your products and services. Look at profitability. Making money online with a lower budget is one of the main ideas behind affiliate marketing. When choosing a niche, you should consider its potential to generate revenue. Many large retailers and brands offer affiliate marketing programs with different commission schemes, so you need to pay attention to the details and search for a suitable option for your business. Try to find trending products or brands with high commission percentages to generate more significant profit. Let me tell you some of the best niches for affiliate marketing. Number 1, fashion. Fashion is considered a mainstream niche, yet it offers several sub-niches, meaning there are many opportunities for you to explore. For example, you can write about vintage dresses and accessories on your website while still including fashion as your primary focus. Another way is to target one smaller niche with a high volume and only focus on promoting products in that specific category. Fashion is an excellent option as there's always a demand for fashionable products and trends change rapidly. You can easily learn what people are looking for to keep up with the current trends through social media. What's more, trends can help you plan your content and define specific target markets. From luxury items to local brands, there are many lucrative fashion affiliate programs you can join. If you're trying to break into luxury fashion, some of the best examples include Net-a-Porter with commissions up to 6% per product and Nordstrom with a negotiable 1 to 11% commission. Meanwhile, you can try ShopStyle and New Chick, which offer 20% and 50% commissions respectively. The next niche is education. Education makes a profitable affiliate marketing niche, considering the high demand for several online courses due to the pandemic. According to research, the global e-learning market is expected to grow to $400 billion by 2026. With its growth, education affiliate marketing programs have also become popular among online coaches. What's good about education affiliate marketing is that you don't need an educated background to promote educational products. You can promote books, stationeries, or online education on your website. For example, there are various courses such as digital marketing bootcamps, coding classes for kids, and writing workshops. Coursera also offers an affiliate program with a commission of up to 45% per referral. Step number 2, decide on a content platform. You can do affiliate marketing on any platform. This includes websites, YouTube, social media such as Instagram and TikTok, newsletters, and a podcast. The method you choose will depend on your preference and occasionally your niche's preference. For example, people who are learning breakdance will prefer videos, so even if you prefer writing, running a YouTube channel may be a better option. With that being said, I recommend building a website and using search engine optimization (SEO) to rank your content high on Google. This allows you to generate passive search traffic consistently, which means consistent clicks on affiliate links too. Step number 3, find affiliate programs to join. There are 3 main types of affiliate programs to choose from. The first one is high paying and low volume. These are niche products with fewer buyers. For example, HubSpot sells only to businesses, but their affiliate program pays well, 100% off the first month and 15% monthly recurring commission. The second option is low paying and high volume products with mass appeal. For example, PS5 games. Amazon only pays up to 10% commission, but the good thing is they offer commissions off the entire value of the purchase and not just the product you recommended. And the third option is high paying and high volume. For example, expensive products with mass appeal such as credit cards. Do not forget to tell me in the comments section below the video which one strategy or method from this video you are going to use first. I would be interested to hear from you. So the next thing to do if you want to accelerate your learning even further and develop your digital skills, make sure you go and click the link under the video now and visit the Internet Business School website, the UK's leading internet marketing training company. They offer a range of comprehensive courses covering all aspects of digital marketing. They will give you all the training, skills and knowledge you need to create a profitable online business. If you are interested in that, which I hope you are, just click the link in the description box under the video and have a look at it. I hope you found this video useful. Please share it with your friends, like it and tell people about it. Please make sure you hit the subscribe button and please give the video a like. Just click on the subscribe button below this video. If you have any questions, leave a comment under the video below and I will follow up with you. Thanks for watching.